My name is Lauren, and I am delighted to welcome you to IMPROVATE's first International Innovation Forum. Joining us, though, are speakers from 13 countries and representatives from over 20 countries. Among them, world leaders, opinion shapers, medical and security experts, investors, and technology executives.
IMPROVATE derives from two words, improvement and innovation. And about a year and a half ago, we realized that there is an opportunity to create a platform that puts the money where the mouth is. And this platform hopefully will enable all of you to create business and strategic collaborations that will make the world better for everyone.
The talent is by far some of the most talented people here in this region. Silicon Valley wouldn't be Silicon Valley if it wasn't for, the innovative minds and the spark, the small community that's happening here in Tel Aviv.
I'm so proud to be with you, to be one of you, and all of us coming here together, being members of the IMPROVATE family. A family of joint values. A family that has a very special ambition and a goal to serve.
Mr. Eyal Regev is the founder, chairman, and CEO of gatfield Aero Logistics Systems. He has served in executive positions in the field of aviation for the past 25 years, including 15 years in various positions at Israel Aerospace Industries, the last one as the manager of the Hovering Air Vehicles Department. He's the first to envision the concept of delivery drones. Prior to founding gatfield, he served as the VP of R&D of Parazero, the drone safety systems, Let's hear from Eyal Regev on when medical drone delivery and IoT meet. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. First of all, in the spirit of this convention, I didn't want to talk about it at the beginning, but I wanted to say what the meaning of the word gatfield means. And I know that very few of you know, but gatfield is actually in Aramaic, in ancient Aramaic, wings. And it's written in the book of Zohar, the spirituality of Judaism, that people and also nations need to have two wings in order to elevate. The first wing, the left wing, is the light of wisdom. It's all the capabilities that we got and all the technologies that we do and everything that we can bring to the world. And the right wing is the light of mercy, is to use it for the good. So I think that anything we do has to serve the good and do good to other people, and this is our spirit in gatfield. So I wanted to talk not only about drones, but the subject is connection, unity and connection. Now, everybody familiar with the rules of creation knows that we are actually connected. We are all connected together, just like cells in a body. And our journey as humanity is to find out that we're connected and to transfer it to the physical world. Now, we've seen that in the last 30 years, we have been connected in the knowledge and data. But on the contrary, in the physical world, we see that we just stayed the same for 50 years. The way that we connect together in the physical world stayed the same. You can see it when you want to order something online, then you know that all the data and all the knowledge and all the management is there, but once you click the buy button, then it takes a long time and a long delivery chain that until it happens and until it connects you. And this has to change because we cannot stay in this situation and no longer. And especially in the rural areas and the remote areas, they're very, very different from the life that we live, and especially in the medical world. Because in the peripheral areas and in islands, most of the population does not receive the medical aid that we all receive in the centers of the cities. And that's because of the cost effectiveness of bringing medicine, bringing blood, bringing other critical medical aid to those places. So I want you to imagine the new world that we're about to enter because of the new technology that I'm going to talk about in a minute. A world that everybody is connected day and night, rain or shine. You can get deliveries to any corner of the world. and do it very fast and very efficient and safe. I want you to imagine a world where all the logistics centers are connected through a network of drone delivery that can bring all the things right on demand where they need it. I want you to imagine railways in the sky that connect everybody together. But how do we do that? And why is it going to happen now? So the revolution that we are facing now in technology is the ability to vertical takeoff and landing. Once we manage to do that, then there's no limit to what we can do. And now the technology has reached a certain stage that this thing is possible and being able to be performed. But in order to do that, we need more than that, and I'll show you exactly what I mean.
From the dawn of humanity, humans have sought to get closer to one another. During the age of technology and knowledge, the world is becoming a more accessible global village. Technology links between us and brings together close and far. Now we have the possibility of becoming not only linked, but also physically connected. Technology grants us all the right to share and enjoy abundance, and the possibilities that lie within it, in a world where connecting means living. GADFIN is proud to present for the first time the aerial long-range network technology, breakthrough capabilities never seen before in performance, safety, and airworthiness. Imagine a world without boundaries, more egalitarian, more common, more just. A world where medical centers, even the most remote areas, are constantly connected. The medical, life-saving supply lines always operate efficiently and quickly. Medicines, equipment, and medical deliveries are transported at any time and in any weather. Imagine a world of supply lines crossing the sky, delivering fresh produce and thousands of products daily, between logistics centers 100 miles apart, ensuring that nothing is missing, even in isolated and remote places, day and night, when it rains or when the sun shines. Safe, high quality, and non-stop. This world is already here. GADFIN presents a fleet of fully electric, all-weather cargo workhorses that is going to physically connect the world through previously unknown capabilities. Flight distances of 300 kilometers and more, flight speed of up to 200 kilometers per hour, capacity to carry a load weighing up to 100 kgs, with proven ability of smart management of robotic ground station network, connecting people even in remote and isolated locations, using automated flying technology. GADFIN Aerial Long Range Network, connecting the world, even the most remote places. GADFIN, connecting the world.
Thank you. So this is a nice dream, but how can we make it happen? So what we have to design is our challenge as engineers is to have a system based on UAVs that have three basic capabilities. First of all, the capability to fly to long distances. The second one is to do it safely. And the third one is to do it cost effectively. And all green, okay? So with green technology that we are incorporated in our air vehicles. And that was our major challenge. And until today, it was not possible to fly to such long distances. We have made a lot of efforts in order to give you the world, the Spirit One that you can see here, which is the state-of-the-art of UAVs, I think the best technology in the world that I know, that allows us to fly to really long distances, more than 250 kilometers. This air vehicle and our bigger aircraft, 500 kilometers with 100 kilograms of payload. This is tailored especially for medical equipment, cooled equipment that could be up to minus 80 degrees, all with the strictest safety measures, and with the capability to do it all weather, in all weather situation. That's the way. We always also have folding wings, which allows us to withstand strong side winds and have a small footprint, and allow us to do it in a very safe manner. The cargo is inside the air vehicle. This is an experiment that we did to stay with minus 80 degrees for 3 hours inside the aircraft, based with standing with the regulation, with the highest regulation standards, and bringing the world air vehicle that was never possible, that these capabilities were never possible before. But it's not enough to have an air vehicle. You have to also have a ground station that distinguishes between the user and the UAV in terms of safety and also in efficiency. So we are developing now the automatic ground station that will prevent the need for someone on the ground. And all of it is managed by our management system that can manage a whole fleet of air vehicles and ground systems together. We see a future that all the automatic warehouses will extend to an automatic warehouse system that is connected together just like a physical internet. And this is how we foresee the future of air logistics. I would like to welcome you all to join us in this journey. We have lots of connections with the Air Regulation Authority. We want to get together with the medical authorities in order to make this thing happen and connect remote places. We're now in the beginning of a project here in Israel to connect hospitals together, and in connection with different countries that really have a tier 1 problem to get all the peripheral areas connected to the centers. So I would like to thank you all, and let's do it.
And that is it for IMPROVATE's Jerusalem 2021 International Innovation Forum. The forum is just the first step in creating collaborations between governments, businesses, and investors, and leading Israeli technology companies that were here today. The exposure right here at this conference is a first step. The next step, delegations and real-world business connections to promote IMPROVATE's vision of making technology accessible to all and improving the lives of people across the world. I would like to thank all of the wonderful speakers and panelists, the companies who presented the best of Israeli technologies, and all of you, of course, who were here with us today. A special thanks to 2 amazing women who made today's event possible, IMPROVATE's founder, Irina Nevzlin, and Ronit Hassin-Hochman, who together prove that nothing stands in the way of will. Thank you both so much for putting on today's important gathering. Happy Hanukkah, and we will see you guys at the concert tonight. Thank you.